a little treat for you today. A little treat for me as well. I'm going to have a little unboxing and a little first look at the... Oh, it doesn't even fit on my worktop. Oh, let's turn it around this way. We have DJI Inspire 1. Right, let's get opening the box. I think I might have to move this off here because it's too big. So I can get this. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to move this off here. Oh, that looks stunning. Right, see if I can move this off to one side and dig all the stuff out. Right, first thing we have is the quadcopter, which looks stunning. A lot bigger than I thought it would be. And next we have the controller. Flip up tablet mount. Nice. Next we have the battery. This one is 4,500 mAh. I think the average is about 18 minutes flight time of this. Next we have the gimbal and camera, I'm assuming. Yes. SD card already in there. ND filter. It's a nice case too. We have a bag of screwdriver and some rubbers for the gimbal. Look there. We have a USB to mini USB, and we have another USB to mini USB. We have what looks like a harness or strap for the controller. We have a power brick with a 2-prong. I hope they include the UK plug adapter with that, otherwise I'm going to have to find one. Like that. Oh, what's this? We have another little lead. Not sure what that is. Open it now. Look. This one is for, oh yeah, it's to charge when you're out in the field. If your controller is running low, just plug this end into your spare battery, this end in your controller, and the controller will charge off the battery, which is pretty neat. And we have instruction manual. We have 4 sets of props. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now these look like the quick release ones, which wasn't on the picture when I ordered it, because I ordered a separate set, so I've got a spare pair of blades. Look there, yeah. So quick release on the top. Oh, that's okay. Because before I bought the quad, I went and bought a load of extras, because on the picture it did say I had the standard props, so I went ahead and bought the propeller locks for the original propellers, which I thought would be on there, so I no longer need those. Then I bought a set of these quick release propellers. So I've got 3 sets plus the mounting brackets. So it's always good to have space. Check over the side there. And I also bought, because one battery is never enough, I also bought a spare battery. This one is the TB48, which is the 5700 mAh bigger battery. So let's open this bad boy up and have a look. We have a box inside the box, which is TB48. Let's crack this open. Oh, we have another box inside another box. On the side, open here. Oh. And there she is. I'm not sure how much difference in weight there is between this one and the stock one. It's not a lot of difference. No difference in size really. Oh, it is slightly taller. Doesn't feel any heavier though. And apparently this one lasts around 20-22 minutes. So, you have 2 batteries. Let's have a look at this controller. But, just take all this rubbish off. Flip that up. This plastic off. Come on. Take that off. And take this bag. Now you gotta get it out of the bag without ripping it. Oh, there we go. No, sorry, just have to rip it. There you go. Oh, I have to rip that side as well. Don't break anything yet. Come on. Take a bit of plastic off. And we're back. Sorry for the cut, people. A little bit of an issue with the camera there. I think before we was taking a look at the controller with the mobile mounts on the side. Just flip those out and extend. Fit your mobile in. You can back in and fit your tablet in. Looks really nice. Light bridge on the back. You have your record button. You have your toggle wheel for your camera. Pictures. The picture menu. Landing gear up and down. On and off button. It's really nice. I gotta be honest. That's nice and sturdy. There's a fair weight on there. Oh, push the button there. Yeah, let's check that back. Right, next what do I want to have a look at? In this bag you have the old harness on the side. Ooh, looks kind of professional. Now I did see on a few videos that people were having issues with the clips just coming out and dropping your tablet or your phone on the floor, but this one seems to be okay. Looks nice. Looks expensive. What else we got? We have a lead. I believe this one is for charging the remote control from a spare battery. Only you put the plug into your spare battery when you're out in the field. Plug this into your controller, and it charges your controller, which is a really nifty idea. We've also got mains charger. Don't see that, all the same. Got that lead for the charger. We also have some USB to mini USB. Don't see those. As I mentioned that, we got a screwdriver for the controller. I think is to adjust the screw there, and we have some rubbers for the gimbal nuts, which brings us on to the crown jewels of the Inspire. Whoa, look at that! Look at that little beauty! Right, this came out of the box. And there we have the 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal. Oh, we have a memory card already in there. And which one's this? Flip it round. 16 gig Panasonic. I shall be getting a bigger one because I don't think that'll be enough if you're shooting in 4K. Well, that feels really nice, I've got to be honest. It's really light. I wasn't expecting it to be that light. Let's pop this back in the box. We also have in the box the ND filter. I'm not sure. Is it? Yeah, threads on the inside. How does that fit then? No threads. Must have to screw the original clear filter off and replace it with the ND filter. Box is kind of nice as well. The hinge is not going to last very long. What else? Oh, props. Let's find some props on while we do it. We've got these already out of the packet. Take these stickers off. That one. Right, now we have, these have the quick release mechanisms on them, which I also bought a spare pair for. Right, no dot. These are the no dot ones. Put them down the wing. Fingers and thumbs, yeah. Twist. Lock. Nice. I'm going to fit these on. These ones have a dot. In and click. Nice. Sorry if I'm in front of the camera. That one has a dot. So we put on the dot, and the one with the dot, just push down and twist. So on, done. And same with the back. Down and twist. I gotta say that's a hell of a footprint for a quadcopter. It's really nice, I gotta be honest. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and there shall be some flight footage to come. First flight, first takeoff. Peace.